This Japanese-style tiny house places a great focus on comfort and functionality while making the most of its small footprint. The open plan layout of the ground floor, which functions as the primary center of everyday life despite the tiny size of the house, creates the illusion of the space. While a built-in wardrobe and a minimalist compact pantry provide the walls with neat, practical storage option, a comfortable resting space beacons relaxation, and convenient access to the home's back exterior is provided by a discreet door tucked away close to the cabinetry. A small bed, reachable by a straightforward step or ladder, is strategically positioned at the far right corner above the bathroom and is perfect for sleeping or retreating to in peace. A tiered roof, which is most noticeable above the loftbed, completes the design and provides vertical breathing room in addition to visual intrigue. This tiny home, which adheres to Japanese design principle, is a peaceful haven in a compact but incredibly livable space by combining functionality, simplicity, and also a quiet ambience.